So I know we visited this one a while ago, it was several years ago, and hydrangea is just, hydrangea messes with your head as far as I'm concerned, because there's new and improved and introducing and all this kind of stuff every year. It's just hydrangea after hydrangea after hydrangea. But I was walking and I saw this one in bloom, and I had to get it because I think it's outrageous. This is Pistachio. It's Hydrangea macrophylla Pistachio. 3 to 5 feet, full sun. Hydrangeas like not necessarily water, but they don't like to dry out. Bloom time is now being the end of June, probably for several weeks. But I don't recall seeing another hydrangea with this flower color. And you can see you got greens and rose and whatever color you want to call it, but I think it's pretty hip. I question sometimes on the newer introductions, the hardiness. For instance, endless summer can be pretty finicky in terms of bud hardiness. So what good's a hydrangea if it doesn't bloom? But this was just in my face, and I had to just bring it to you again because I think the flower is pretty incredible. Again, 3x5, and just a real cool plant if you want some summer color, full sun, and yeah, deer will eat it. It's Hydrangea macrophylla Pistachio.